like that.
Scared me.
They got a standing brick.
Take everything easy. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
See that? Flip it over. I'm gonna crunch some for y'all. They're not too big. I do got this one. Not too big. Let me bite one for you. They're squeaky. Dang.
She don't like squeaky.
Cool. This is my first video of me eating this, actually showing my face.
I thought that was thunder. I scared me.
I hate squeak. I might have to put them in the freezer.
Back in the freezer, right?
Anybody have any suggestions on how to take away the squeak? I know putting them in the freezer do take away the squeak, but I would like to actually have them not cold and not squeaky. So any suggestions on that is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.